In this video, I'm going to show you how to unprivate your account and how to make it available to public again. So first, open up your TikTok app. Once you open up your TikTok app, click on the profile on the bottom right. From there, navigate to the top right on these three icons and click on Settings and Privacy. From there, you want to click on Privacy and the private account, the first option, you want this to be on the right side, so it's blue like so. And with the private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. And that's how you make it private. If you want to unprivate it, just click on this option again, click on switch, and now your account is back to public. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.